Car repair scams can take various forms, but they generally involve dishonest practices aimed at deceiving car owners into paying for unnecessary repairs or overcharging for legitimate services. Here are some common car repair scams to watch out for. Unnecessary repairs. Some dishonest mechanics may recommend unnecessary repairs or replacements to increase the bill. They might claim that parts need to be replaced when they are still in good condition or perform unnecessary services. Overcharging for parts. Inflating the prices of parts is another common scam. Mechanics may charge significantly more for parts than their actual cost or claim to use brand name parts when cheaper alternatives are installed. Charging for phantom repairs is, unfortunately, a common issue. Some mechanics may charge for repairs that were never actually performed. They might bill for services that are unnecessary or claim to have fixed issues that still persist after the repair. Misdiagnosis is another tactic used in scams. Providing inaccurate or exaggerated diagnoses can mislead customers significantly. Mechanics might misdiagnose a problem or exaggerate its severity to justify costly repairs. Bait and switch is a particularly tricky scam. This scam involves providing a low estimate initially, but later claiming that additional repairs are needed, significantly increasing the final bill. Pressure tactics. Some mechanics may use pressure tactics to push customers into agreeing to unnecessary repairs or upgrades. They might claim that the repairs are urgent or threaten that the car is unsafe to drive without immediate fixes. To protect yourself from car repair scams, educate yourself. Learn about basic car maintenance and repair procedures to better understand your vehicle and identify potential scams. When you're facing car repairs, it's wise to get multiple estimates. Make sure to obtain quotes from several mechanics or repair shops. This will help you compare prices and ensure that the proposed repairs are consistent. This step can save you a lot of money and prevent you from falling victim to unnecessary services. Don't hesitate to ask questions about the proposed repairs, including why they are necessary and what the estimated costs cover. Ask for the old parts to be returned to you after the repair to verify that they were replaced. Look for reviews and ratings from other customers to gauge their reputation and reliability. If you suspect you've been a victim of a car repair scam, consider reporting the incident to relevant authorities or consumer protection agencies.